Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Vtube Studio and OBS installed. Now open Vtube Studio and prepare the avatar. First, enable face tracking and turn on the external output option so Vtube can export a video feed. Once done, choose whether you will use OBS Virtual Camera or NDI. Each method has trade-offs. Virtual Camera is simple, NDI gives lower latency and higher quality. Make sure both apps run as the same user. Then proceed to OBS to capture the feed. Now switch to OBS and add a source. If you picked Virtual Camera, add a video capture device and select the Vtube Virtual Camera. If you picked NDI, add an NDI source and select the Vtube NDI stream. Adjust resolution and frame rate to match your canvas so movement stays smooth. If your avatar supports alpha output, enable alpha or use chroma key to preserve transparency, which helps layering scenes. Once the source looks right, lock it and adjust transform as needed. Finish by arranging the avatar in your OBS scene and checking streams or recordings. You should test performance, monitor CPU and drop frames, lower Vtube visual settings, or switch to NDI if you hit limits. Make sure audio sources are routed separately so voice sync matches avatar lip movement. If the feed is blank, restart Vtube and OBS, confirm camera permissions, and try toggling Virtual Camera versus NDI. This commonly resolves device conflicts and gets you live quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.